Most people associate French culture with Paris. However, outside of the city of love, it is very different and varies throughout the region. French is no exception to having peculiar social customs, as all countries do. Today, I am here to introduce to you their social customs involving their manners and etiquettes. And you will be surprised to learn how formal the French are. The French are very big on greetings. When introducing yourself, you must address the elderly and new acquaintances properly and formally. Do not use their first names until you are invited to do so. It is reserved for close friends and families. When speaking to others, especially elderly and superiors, one must use the formal term vous to address them. The familiar term toi or tu is used with children, animals, and even God, but never with strangers and strangers and elderly. Another part of their greeting is the faire la bise, which involves light kisses on each side of the cheek, first the right and then the left. The French also love heated discussions and tend to stand rather close to one another, which may be uncomfortable at first. Some things to avoid in order to maintain their manners of conversating is to avoid topics involving money, such as asking someone of what they do as a living, what they do as a living, and their job title, because this can indicate their salary. Another thing is to avoid is talking too loudly, because they see this as vulgar. Although the French maintain formal relationships with one another, the dress code in French it tend to be more casual than it is thought to be. The French, however, do like finer things alive. The term haute couture is associated with the French fashion and stands for the fancier garments that are handmade or made to order. Even though dress habits in France are casual and not overly fussy, it is important to them to dress appropriately to an occasion, and the people tend to judge the correctness of choice through the dress, the style, and quality of what others are wearing. Another social custom the French consider to be important involves the dining etiquettes. To the French, wine and food are central to life at all social economic levels. Do not expect to be served a drink before all guests have arrived, even if someone is running late. When offered a drink, do not take a sip until the host has toasted everyone good health. Never pour yourself a drink when invited to a dinner except water. If you are not offered another drink, it is an indication for you to go. Wine and other alcohol should not be drunk excessively, and before eating, they say bon appetit, and cheese is very important to their dish, so that is served before dessert. The French social customs define the social aspect of their culture. I hope that everyone will understand more about the French and their way of life. So if you ever do visit France, you will now know what is socially accepted and expected.